Welcome to a mini tutorial on how to access Victory International School's online classes. Victory International Schools has chosen G Suite as its educational platform to deliver the best online teaching experience for everyone. Each student will be allotted a unique Victory International School ID which he or she can use to access their online classroom for attending regular classes virtually, schoolwork, and receiving school updates. In order to generate your ID, you need to first complete the registration and fee payment process. Then you will receive a registration card with the details of your child. The card will also mention the unique ID. Within 24 hours of receiving the card, your Victory International School email ID will be active. Once your ID is created, please make sure you log in to your ID within 24 hours, else your password will expire and you need to contact office again to reset the same. To access the Google ID for the first time, you may log in to Google and type Gmail sign in. Click on the link that says accounts.google. It will take you to the sign in page. Enter the ID mentioned on the registration card, that is the student name followed by the registration number @victoryschools.net. Make sure you enter the correct spelling to avoid any errors. When it prompts for password, enter the MOM1234 all in small letters as default password. Once you click next, it will ask you to reset password. So when you sign in next time, use this ID and new password to log in. Soon you will receive an email called class invitation. Open the email and click on join. This will take you to your Google Classroom homepage. Every grade has its own dedicated classroom. This classroom is divided into 3 sections: Stream, Classwork, and People. Under People, you can see the list of teachers in that particular grade. Under Classrooms, on the left hand side, you can see all the topics as well as the subjects. Under each subject, there will be a very generalized information related to that subject. Like you can see literature, language and ICT currently in your classwork. Under Stream, you will find overview of all the updates happening in your classroom. The first thing that you need to do is click on the Google document named class code. When you click on the class code, it will open a document which mentions subject, teacher's name and class code. The code will enable you to access each subject class to get detailed information about the particular subject. Like example, the assignments, quizzes and notes related to that particular topic. For example, if you wish to join Teacher Anisa's English language class, you need to copy the class code. Then go back to your Google Classroom home page and select the 9 dots on the right hand side corner. Look for the Google Classroom application. The Google Classroom application is a generic page which shows the classes you have been added in. Click on the plus sign on the right hand side above and join the class. Here you have to enter the code that you previously copied. This will make you join your language classroom, which will have detailed information of the language and the topics related to it. Similarly, you should access other class codes and join each subject classroom. This step of joining each subject classroom is a one-time effort and needs to be done at the beginning of each class. A very important thing to note here is we will be using a common class link to access our daily live virtual online classes, which means your child will click only on one link at the beginning of his or her class each day and continue with the same link for the rest of the day. You will find this link under the topic Google Meet link. Just click on the link and you will be enrolled in the Google Meet live classroom. The best part about Google Suite online classes is that it can be accessed through any device. If you still have any questions or get stuck in any of the processes, you may contact the respective class teacher via WhatsApp or visit our office. You may also take an appointment and see us as per the schedule, which is kindergarten to grade 3 on Wednesdays and grade 4 to grade 10 on Thursday. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you.